Okay, this is the making of my sunrise alarm clock. I'm going to demonstrate the 4000 lumen LED that I just got coming on, so you can see just how bright it actually gets as it's powering up. Pretty blinding. I'm controlling the power using my DC power supply here. Now, I've also got it set up here so I can control it using my FPGA, and I'll demonstrate basically a 20% duty cycle and a 40% duty cycle versus completely on. So, looking at the oscilloscope, you can see it's off right now. Now, I'm going to flip this switch and turn on the 20% duty cycle. You can see there it's 20%. And there's the brightness. Now switching to a 40%, see how it got a little bit brighter. Again, there's the 40% duty cycle. And then you can compare that with it being completely on. Very, very, very bright. Anyway, after I get it all complete, I'll have an array of about 23 LEDs on this piece of aluminum, and I can control each one of them individually, ramping up their brightness to simulate a sunrise. Anyway, there you go.